Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can tag a video into your TikTok comments. So go on ahead and go to your TikTok profile. Just choose the video that you want to work with. Let's say I want to work with this one. Tap on the comments icon. And let's just say I want to reply a video to this comment right here. Let's focus on the sticker that shows the video icon. Tap on that. And right here, you can see that this is a comment that I want to reply a video to. So here I can just record whatever I want. And once that is done, that will be uploaded automatically to my comment section. And it will also be uploaded into my TikTok feed. That's it. I hope this helped. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.